everyone, how are you? So today we are opening a box brand new to our channel, and it is actually a brand new subscription box. This is their very first box. It is called Sprinkle and Wishes, and this is available on Cratejoy. And this box was created by an Etsy shop owner. She creates, well, I'm assuming it's a she, I don't know, she or he creates like pretty little charm bracelets and a lot more stuff on their Etsy page, and they decided to make it a subscription. So I have Cratejoy pulled up right now, and I am going to read you what the description of this box is and tell you about the pricing and all of that, and then we will get to unboxing this box of goodies. So like I said, this is called Sprinkle and Wishes, and it says unique bracelets to keep or gift. A box of happy delivered to your doorstep every month. Each box will contain 2 seasonally themed wish bracelets, envelopes for mailing, a fun writing tool, stickers, confetti, and other surprises. And then it lists all the things inside. It says it's 2 handmade bracelets per month, fun extras like stickers, candies, confetti, and little gift items. Your first box will contain a bonus mini wooden easel to display your cards. Free shipping in the United States. So this does ship worldwide. If it's outside the United States, there's a shipping charge. I'm not sure what that will be. I think it varies based on your location. But if you are in the United States, it is free. And this box starts at $10.75 with free shipping. So that is great. I know in the Etsy shop, the bracelets that are included in this run for about like $4.25 or something like that. So definitely seems worth it. So, and this month it looks like there is a St. Patrick's Day theme. So if you do not know, I am Irish and I love St. Patrick's Day. Actually, all 3 of my cat babies have March 17th as their birthday. 2 of them are brother and sister. And when I adopted them, we kind of determined based on their predicted age that was their birthday. And then my other cat is a year younger than them, born around the same time, so I just made all their birthdays March 17th. So it is coming up. They're gonna be 2 and 3. But anyways, let's get back to the box. I could talk about my cat babies forever. So this is what it looks like. Inside, this is what I see. I did peek into this last night, so if I hold it all the way up, things will kind of fall out. So I have a little personal note from the creator, which is super nice. She says, thank you for unboxing this. I'll just read it for myself. It's a little personal. And then, so the first things I see, there is a green pen. It's the Lee pen. So it definitely goes with the St. Patrick's theme. I'm going to see, yeah, it looks like it actually is a green felt marker. Let's see. Oh, perfect. Yeah, it's green. I just wrote on here, so awesome. So a green pen. That's awesome to send or to write out letters for this time of month. There's a little bracelet that says "Kiss Me, I'm Irish," and there's some little like lips on there. This is just like a little wristlet. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see the words. It's actually on both sides, so if your wrist, if it moves around, you'll be able to still read it. There's an envelope to send these bracelets if you wish to gift them. So this is like the best part of the box, I think. So the first one says Happy St. Patty's Day, and it is a little shamrock on a green string, and it says the idea of a wish bracelet is to make a wish and tie it on your wrist. When it falls off, your wish will come true. Isn't that super cute? I'm gonna put this on after I think that is adorable. And then I'm gonna gift the second one, or one of them. I haven't chosen what one I'm gonna keep or gift. I'm gonna gift one to my mother. It says keep calm and dance with the leprechauns. And then again it says the idea of a wish bracelet is to make a wish as you tie it on your wrist. When it falls off, your wish will come true. And there is that. I know it's a little shiny and reflective, but isn't that super cute? I love shamrock anything. And I know my whole family does. We're big Irish people. We love it all year round. So I think that'll be such a cute gift. And then there's these little shamrock stickers, which I'll probably seal the envelope with this. I think it's super cute and use it in other ways this month. I'm not sure how I'll use all of them yet, but definitely goes with March. I can't believe it's March, by the way. It's crazy. And then there is this little button that says Luck of the Irish, let's have a party. I think this is really cute. So like, I know a lot of people wear like pins and stuff at their jobs, so this would be a cute little thing to wear or gift also. And then there's just like a little coin here that says Shamrock on it. This would be cute to throw into the little gift too. It says 4-leaf clover for good luck. So that is that. And then there's something I'm excited about, which I think I might feature in the background of my videos coming up this month. It's St. Patrick's LED light string. There's 10 lights, battery operated. It's 3 feet long, so green LEDs, and it says indoor use only. So this is what it looks like. They're just little shamrocks. I was thinking maybe I could like run them against the back there. I think that would be cute for this month, wouldn't it be? Let me take them out and I can show you. So maybe I can start, oh, I just dropped some. Maybe I can start like changing up my background with the season. So here, like they're just little shamrocks, and you put the batteries in here, so it looks like it takes like 2 AA's, and you can just run it all across the back, like wherever you want to. It's 3 feet long, so I think that would be perfect for my background if I could figure out how to get that to work. So that might be in the next video. Definitely look out for that. So I'm definitely excited about this. And then the next item I think is super cool too. So this is a nail polish. This is by LA Colors. It's the Color Craze nail polish with hardeners. I think the color name might be 506. Oh no, it's Mint. 506A Mint. So this is a green color, and I think this is so fun for St. Patrick's Day. I don't have any green nail polishes in my collection. I'm guessing a lot of people don't, at least not like this bright green color. I know green's like has been a trend lately though. So you can probably wear it all year round, but I think it's perfect for this month, especially like if you're going out for St. Patrick's Day. Like in Chicago, we have St. Patrick's Day parades. So yeah, this is super cute. Here, let me put it on something. Let me get like a piece of paper. Here, I'll use the envelope. I'll just use another envelope if I send my mom something. Okay, so I've got it here. That's pretty. So yeah, that's just like one coat. Look at that, it's like a neon bright green. I like that. And here, I'll use the pen here too to show you. Can you see that? I can't tell because my lights, but it's like a lime green, like it's a thin felt tip little pen, so. I love all the green. Even inside the box, there is like the green little squiggly things. And then there's also some little surprise treats in here. These are like the Lifesavers, which I have not had in so long. There's 2 of the green and then like an orange one. So definitely St. Patrick's Day themed. So I think this is really cute. Let's, let me close this nail polish first, and then let's recap everything. And then tell you about what's coming in the next month. I think that I kind of talked to the owner and she told me, or he again. So we have the LED lights. This is probably my favorite thing in the box because I really do want to decorate for this month. I really do love the charm bracelets too. This is like the main thing on the box, definitely. So one says Happy St. Patty's Day and the other says Keep Calm and Dance with the Leprechauns. And this box comes with 2 envelopes, and you can choose to gift these or you can keep them for yourself. I'm definitely keeping one for myself. And like I said, I'm probably gonna give one to my mom. There's a big truck outside. Sorry if you can hear that right now. But I think this is so cute to gift. And especially like wish bracelets. I've had some of these in the past. Oh, it's my recycling. Usually they come at like 6 in the morning. Okay, that's weird. They're a little behind today. They come really early here just because of the wildlife in Florida. There's seriously black bears in my community. I live in a gated community and I'm kind of towards the front. I'm in a townhome. There's like big houses in the back. In those houses, they see a bunch of gators and bears. So they always have the trash people come early. I guess recycling's not food-based because that really attracts the bears. But anyways, that's what you heard. And I'm just confused why they're coming at almost 2 p.m. But anyways, back to the cute bracelets. Aren't these cute? I'm super excited. I think I might keep the one that says Keep Calm and Dance with the Leprechauns because I like how this one says Happy St. Patty's Day. Like, it's more of a greeting as a gift. And then let's have a party look of the Irish. I'll probably throw this in the gift too. And then definitely, like I said, I'm gonna seal the envelope with this. And then just like some cute little goodies and little treats. The pen, which I can write in the letter. Sorry, it's like spit a little bit. What's wrong with me? And then this nail polish, which I think is super fun. And I love that there's something like beauty related in here just because, you know, I'm just like so into that. So I think overall this is such a cute box. Definitely a great job for their very first box. I think this is definitely something really fun to gift, or just keep some of it and gift parts of it like I'm going to do. So if you're interested, like I said, it starts at $10.75 per month with free shipping in the United States, but it is also available worldwide, which is awesome because I know not everyone that watches my channel lives near me in the US, so if you're interested, you could get this. So I'll leave that link down below. And also, I guess next month is going to be an Easter theme because next month is Easter, so I'm really looking forward to seeing what they release then. But anyways, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a comment down below. You know I love chatting with you guys. I'm like always in the comment section. But anyways, have a great day, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.